In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a purchase order in QuickBooks Accountant. A purchase order, or PO, is a simple but powerful document that lets you formally request goods or services from a vendor before you receive them or pay for them. It helps you track what's on order, avoid surprises, and keep your records clean when it's time to record a bill or an item receipt. Start by signing in to QuickBooks Accountant. If you're practicing, feel free to use a sample company so you can click around without affecting real books. If you're working on behalf of a client, open that client's company file so the PO is created in the right set of records. Taking a moment to confirm you're in the correct file will save you from having to redo anything later. Next, look for the New button. Depending on your layout, you'll find it at the top left of the screen or in the left sidebar. Interface updates can shift things slightly, but the New button is your entry point for creating transactions. Click it, and from the drop-down, choose Purchase Order. If you see categories, it may appear under Vendors or Suppliers. Now, fill out the purchase order details. Start with the vendor, the company or person you're ordering from. Selecting the correct vendor ensures the PO and any follow-up bill connect cleanly. Confirm the ship to location so the items go to the right place. This often defaults to your company address, but you can switch it to another location if needed. Enter the purchase order date. While POs are non-posting and won't affect your financial statements, the date is important for tracking and for matching with vendor confirmations. In the product or service column, pick the items you're ordering from your existing list. Add the quantity for each line and verify the unit of measure if you use them. Check the rate or amount. QuickBooks may pull a default price, but update it to match your current quote or agreement. If helpful, add a memo. This can capture internal notes, delivery instructions, a job or project reference, or anything that will make the PO clearer to your team and your vendor. When everything looks right, choose Save and Close to record it, or select Save and Send to email the purchase order directly to the vendor. Save and Send lets you review the message and attach PDF before it goes out, making sure the vendor gets exactly what they need. That's it. Creating a purchase order helps you track pending purchases and provides clear documentation before you record a bill or an item receipt.